Good evening, actually. I'll build up Sanjeev again from
Sure,
where
please.
we left
Please.
outside, and we were talking about learning beyond academics uh, or the classroom, so to say. Two ways to look at it. Either we take the child outside the classroom and engage in a real life experiential learning process, or we bring the real life to the classroom and look at the content differently. If we do the latter, where we bring, so I'm giving it a direction here, though it's still open for debate. If we do the second part, the fundamental value that a child acquires by being with adults and learning from the behavior, approach, attitude of adults who have seen life, and more so in the Indian context, the letter looks like an approach.
So, could you explain a little bit of what that is? I mean, just an example maybe for everybody.
Uh, Here I'll pick up the conversation which Geeta and I were having. We were talking about the same thing, and Geeta was saying that how do we define and who owns that definition, ownership of defining what is needed for a child. If you're talking about development beyond academic content, then we need to have certain benchmarks to be developed. Now, are those benchmarks being defined? Are those benchmarks being plotted to take care of whether when the child moves from K-12 space to higher education and to the real life and into the family environment and also becomes an adult later on, who is going to in turn impart education? I'm using the word education for parents, who is in turn going to impart education for life to the children. Who is going to map those outcomes so that the learning process throughout this life happens? Whether NCERT is going to own it, CBSE is going to own it, HRD ministry is going to own it. Now, till the time the definitions are not there, which clearly define what is the development of the child in terms of the mental behavior, in terms of the emotional behavior, in terms of the social behavior, those benchmarks not defined, bringing learning either outside the classroom or within the classroom, or comparing institutions and learning outcomes looks like a talk only as of now.